using the SolvsAI application as a lecturer or an instructor, download on App Store or Play Store and create an account. To set assessment question, click on the assessment icon. Next, you input your assessment title as well as open and close date of the assessment. Type in your total score for the assessment. You can as well display results or not for candidates to see their results upon submission. Go ahead to input your questions and the correct answers to the assessment. Bear in mind that as a lecturer or instructor, you can edit and make changes to the assessment. Once the assessment has been saved, a unique code is generated which you can share to any platform of your choice. Once students access the code, the next thing is to input their IDs, e.g. their matriculation number or any unique ID that has been assigned to them individually. They type in their response and answer and submit assessment. Yes, it's that simple. The app automatically marks the script and compiles for the lecturer or instructor to see grades individually. So, what are you waiting for? Download the SolvsAI app on App Store or Play Store and get started immediately.